In front of me is Lenovo Yoga Tab 11, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Now click on About Tablet. Following that, choose device name and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with Bunny. When you finished, choose OK in the pop-up and then OK in the other one about visibility. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Lenovo has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!